Well, it's happening, everybody. 256 Garage, midweek walk around, review, whatever you want to call it, update. We're going to do a quick walk around the shop. I'm going to start right over here with Drake. He wanted me to go ahead and do this while he's working because most of the time he's not working.
That's right. Most of the time
so he wanted some video of him
I'm
working.
sitting in this chair, but
he said he went over there and wallered around a little bit so he'd have some dust on him, grabbed a piece of sandpaper, pulled up a chair, and sat down and started working.
Yeah.
What are you doing there, Drake? I thought you done had the final prime on that bed.
See, that's where you got confused. I put the
Don't sit back, relax, keep working.
No, I gotta sit back now. I'm done here. Oh no, I never said this was final primed.
Oh, that's still like one more block.
It and primed it one time.
It's still like another blocking, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like it's coming along pretty good.
Got it in the tailgate. I think everything else should be pretty well ready.
I'll be right ready to paint some jams on it.
Yeah. The guy come up. He sent us, well, he showed us what color he wanted, and then he sent Daddy a color the other day. Said he wants something around that tone.
So it's just about ready.
Here we may need to go and do some spray out cards.
See what it looks like.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm ready to see some color on it. See what she looks like. What all we got going on? I see we got this truck front end put together. A little paint shot on it.
That's primer.
That's primer. Oh.
There you go, jumping to contusions.
Yeah.
This was
You gotta watch them contusions.
Yeah,
if you look, that does look gray now to that white. I was just gonna say you missed a spot if you did. You know.
Junior primed at this one.
Got the primer on it, so it's just about ready for paint, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Got the old Jeepster here. Got the wheels and tires off of them. Getting them ready for paint. I'm guessing. I don't want to guess wrong. I don't want. Yeah. I want to be sure, you know.
Joey is worked to get them ready for paint.
That might be just how he mounts the tire. I don't know.
He says they're ready for paint.
Ready for paint. Gonna put some color on them. Right there's the door for the Jeepster. Is it final prime?
No.
Got to block it. But you got them test fitted.
Yeah, I got them fitted, and then they didn't fit, so I had to reconfigure.
Well, you just had to adjust on them.
Yeah.
Get that blocking right.
After I got it readjusted, I might have caused a little more damage, so I had to do some more work.
Well, the fact of the matter is that they're going good now, ain't they? We got the Copart Honda in here on the machine. I guess he's cutting some parts off another Honda, ain't he?
Yeah, the side of the scrapyard, bud.
Ah, we got the parts Honda here. Junior's taking some rocker panel parts off of it. We're going to pull them off his car and put them on this car. And maybe he'll be good enough we won't have to paint them. Since they're black and this is black, nah, I doubt it. Joe is still scraping on the Camaro. It's about, I think he's going to retire off this one. He might have it scraped by then.
Age of 42.
Got it coming along. Sweeper truck, just about got the front end back together. I think he's waiting on the part. Got the bumper right there to go on it. It's coming along good. Like I said, the Camaro, just scrape. Nissan is off the frame machine. Got it off over there. I put the airbag module back in it. Got the interior back in it. Alan started putting the front end back together. Got a guy coming to try to get everything fixed up where it'll crank back for us because we had to use a different computer and stuff like that. The Chevrolet truck has been inspected. It's ready to go for sale. Still got the Mustang out there. Still got the F-150 right there for sale. The 48 in here waiting on a door glass. Got the door glass out of it because it had a crack in it. So we got, I believe it's glass place over in Boaz was making us a glass for it. Hopefully they'll get it to us pretty soon because I believe that's all it likes to get where, we can see it out there. I believe that's all it likes to get where it's ready to go. Let's look at the paint booth right quick. I don't know if there's anything in there or not. Yeah, I got some fenders jammed. I believe that's the Nissan hood and the Nissan, I'll turn the light on. believe that's the Nissan hood, the Nissan fender. Got them jammed for the little Nissan out there that the Copart one. Putting it back to get it back together. Excuse me. Get them mounted up. We'll be able to get in there and get it in paint. Get the bumper cover and all that stuff ready. Here comes Alan. He's getting hot and he's wanting to do a little swimming. So he went and got some pool cleaner or pool stuff. Now we're gonna try an old trick, clean out a gas tank. What we're doing. You supposedly be able to put that stuff in there and let it sit, and it cleans it out and makes it like new again. So we got a couple gas tanks, one for the Jeepster, one for Drake's old wagon. We're gonna put some in it and see what happens. But that's what's going on here at the midweek of the 256 Garage. So appreciate everybody tuning in. 256 Garage out.